Welcome back to the channel. In today's final Wednesday walkthrough, episode 11 video, I do the final walkthrough on the flush baseboard, skim-coated walls, and curved ceiling project. After the orange peel texturing was done, it was time to prime and paint, and here's the final product. Let me know in the comments what you think. Alright, got the inset baseboards in, plastic pulled off the floors, primed and painted 2 coats. Laundry room. Master bedroom. Here's a quick look at the orange peel texture with the satin finish. Walking into the master closet and master bath. Still lots of reveal bead we installed in here along with the orange peel texture. Bull nose. All the inset baseboards. Waiting on a stainless shower pan to come in for the shower. Master bath. Master lavatory area. All that was drop ceilings that we tore out and reconfigured this whole bathroom and closet area with metal framing. Even an ocean view from the master suite bathroom. Here's the wall where I did the reveal bead and the gasket tear away, primed and painted on the pocket door area. You can see the gasket, but there's that super seal gasket. Look at the hole. Curved ceiling at the entrance that we built. Condo's getting a new elevator. We're on the 5th floor. We've been taking the stairs for a month to get this project done. Guest bath. There's an inset baseboard on every wall in the home. Very modern finish. And the fixtures. Into the bedroom. Took all the closets out, dropped ceilings out, and these built-ins are the new closets. Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, a contractor, painter, handyman. Just kind of curious. That's the bathroom shower enclosure. Another built-in. Lots of different angles in this place that we had to do with the inset baseboard and reveal beads. There's that gasket again. Perfect Perfect finish for flooring. If you're enjoying these Wednesday walkthrough videos, be sure and hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you get alerted whenever I post a new video.
Satin finish, orange peel texture.
Did several knockdown texture repairs on the ceilings, respread those. I'll leave a link to the playlist of this entire Wednesday walkthrough series in the YouTube card above now.
Been a housewarming gift, textured art painting.
There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description. And if you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. If you have a friend that's a contractor, DIYer, be sure to share these videos with them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks so much for watching.